Quiet song and quote the Bible when you're dead, when you're dead. And no one's gonna miss you when you're gone. No one's even gonna notice that you left. And no one's gonna spare another thought, another second on the day that you die. Maybe they'll dance like the wicked witch off the west is dead on the day that you die. And you could have tried to leave a better life and never wonder why they all left you behind. Do you remember 21? You remember thinking life was so much fun. You remember dancing till the day was done, smoking up and drinking life, but nothing could affect you. You remember flying away when everyone you loved just wanted you to stay. Money in your eyes, you had to get away. Now you see that money means nothing when you're dying old and alone. No one's gonna know your name or know that you existed when you're buried in the ground. Oh, you old and walking slow, they don't see you anymore, they never come around. And you could have tried, be home on Christmas night, take off the suit and tie, and leave your friends behind. Oh, do you remember how you met the girl you never loved but you could not forget? The story of a failing family, and yes, the baby that was born, the one you claimed stepped on your dreams. Do you remember who you loved? Have you ever let your heart to anyone? Years go by and now you are the only one. No one ever called you, you're sick, they left you dying old and alone. Oh, now that I am 21, smoking up and drinking till the day is done, running far away from everyone I love, starting on a life to call my own.